Yo, what's up, fellas? We're back here at the garage, putting in some more work. So we got some stuff done. All the power steering lines are hooked up. Everything where the fluid runs through, we got hooked up. So when I get it fired up, we'll be able to test for leaks to see if we have any leaks. So here we have it. I'm gonna show you what we have done and what we're about to do and what we got what I'm working on. So we got all the lines hooked up. Now I'm running the 0304 Cobra hydroboost, and I made all the factory lines work. The power by the hour, steering reservoir, bracket. Had to do a little mods to that, as I said in a previous video, a little bend and re-drill 2 holes. But there's where I have the factory lines bolted up to. I used that factory bracket and sort of made it work for what I needed, I guess. Turned out not too bad. Now some of the lines are ran right here. Little bracket I made to hold the steering collar up, bouncing around. I think it will help out. Now I still need a couple things, sway bar end links, bump steer kit, and I still need the steering shaft. But you can see I got the solid bushings in. And I tried to make them as straight as possible. And I got it all the way slotted down. And it barely clears the oil pan. I was able to get a couple sheets of paper in between the oil pan and the steering rack. And then here's the lines from underneath. Kind of get a little light. The line that goes into the pump. But, it ain't too fancy, but it will work. Hopefully. Can't really test it out until we get it going. See the BBK X pipes on there. And what are those? Oh, those are the fuel lines that I'm starting to run. Starting to get the fuel system together. So this is the fuel tank. A little beat up. I think I'm gonna get a new one down the road, but this will work for now. I put a new gasket in. You can see we got the fittings on the quantum fuel pump hanger. Now, if anyone's already put this in, the fittings are pretty tight putting them on the hanger. So you definitely got to use 2 wrenches. Now this is the hot rod fuel hose and PTFE lines and fittings, which are pretty awesome in case I want to run E85 down the road. 8 and feed and 6 and return. Gonna get mounted up in there in a little bit. Then I finally opened it. We got the fuel fuel filter. We got the beefy one. I'm gonna try and put it in the factory location. Whole bunch of fittings. And we're gonna sort of probably run the line almost like how the factory line was ran, or if I find out a better way, we'll do that. So there you have it. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Keep tuning in. Until next time, peace.